Itadori Yuji with Sukuna's mouth thing on the back of the hand. Interesting, kind of like an older situation. Like it's not in the newer seasons that this mouth is on the back of the hand. At least I haven't seen it. So, call back to the old school Sukuna Itadori relationship. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, we got a mouth and a hand covering all of his face basically, except like one big eye. So, what to do? Hand first or Yuji's eye? Maybe we'll get the one eye in first. We'll just do one eye and then we'll try and get the hand in and then fill in the gaps. So, tricky enough then. So take your time, hit pause if I go too fast, center point here, come up over to the right. We'll just do it just in this spot. And diagonal. And then across the top. Little box-like eyes in Jujutsu. We just get the shape in. Down there. Across like so. I'm just going to thicken up the top ones. Maybe a little bit of this one. Okay, so then iris, kind of an oval sort of shape. Do. Maybe just some stress lines and stuff just around his eyes. Eyelid line. We'll go there. Across the top. Kind of just like the skin of his eyelid. And then we'll get the eyebrow. It's real square. It's coming back that way. It's like a check mark. And then we'll box off the ends because we want to be able to sort of color it pink. Or no, it's brown. His eyebrow's brown usually, isn't it? And it gets much thinner as it goes back, and you can put some texture lines and stuff if you want. Okay, so basically that's all we can see of that eye anyway. We can see a little bit of the other one, but I think we got to do the hand first. So the index comes right by this, right? And the thing with fingers is they're kind of bumpy. You can do them straight, but they don't look as impressive. So his first knuckle is like here beside his bottom eyelid, right? So you just bump it like that, like a curved line. And then the next one curves out to about where the eyebrow is. Okay. And then we go again. And then the index, so the top of his index finger comes up like pretty long. Like that, right? So like it's not a straight line, it has some bumps on it because of knuckles and things, you know, little subtle bumps. They're not like huge, right? Right, then we go down again, sort of bumping as we go. Two sort of knuckles on each finger, really. So say like where there'd be a knuckle, you'd have these little sort of lines like that. And maybe up here as well. And then the fingernail sort of there. And then you have like, see these bones on my hand here, these sorts of things. So you just do these little sorts of shapes like that. So your index finger joins your thumb, and then the other ones are like grabbing his face, kind of going around the side of the face. So we get the thumb one in. he got some like skin folds just here. And then the thumb is like right up beside his eye up here. So it'll go like this way and then bend around for the top of the thumb. And then it comes around the top of the thumbnail. Then back down for a thumb knuckle, carving in and out. And then there's one more knuckle in here. So you got like this knuckle and then another one here. Right, and then it goes down, joins the wrist from there. It disappears into his sleeve. So again, some knuckle lines, just like skin folds, and then thumbnail. Like so. Do-do-do-do-do. Right, so wrist. Just here, so say like he's got his red sleeve. I think it's red, yep. And there's like a knuckle, well, a wrist bone, this one. Just kind of bumps out here. And then the side of the hand goes up this way. And then we start to see the rest of the fingers coming down here. And these are carved around his face, kind of grabbing his face. Let's say we'll do the middle finger, right? Because it kind of sticks up a bit. So it goes kind of skin in the middle. And then we go up this way. It kind of bends a bit more, maybe. So again, 3 sort of segments. Top goes down like that. And then again, some sort of knuckle lines and stuff. And the fingernail. You are my special. Do 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 do. Love that song. Yeah. That's good. So the rest carve around his face, so kind of grabbing his other cheek. So we have some more bends in this one now. So it's much shorter. Stops here because it curves around. It kind of goes back a bit. And finally, the little pinky, just we can't see the top of it, so it's much easier than the rest. Just goes that way. And then there'd be like it's just a skin fold or something there for it. Some skin folds on this. Fingernail. And then yeah. Okay, so the mouth, Sukuna's mouth, is real big in here. It's a big Joker smile, right? So it starts there, ends here. And then it goes bumping, kind of points down in the middle and then back up like that with the top lip. And there's a little suggestion of the top lip here as well, just a broken sort of line there for skin. Right, and then the mouth is open wide, so down around the bottom, back up to there. Then we got to do teeth. So he's got like sharp fangs here in the corner. And another one sort of here. And then all teeth in the middle. And then they actually draw in each tooth, and you can see some gum. Just these little V's on the top. And then the bottom fangs just underneath these ones. And then there's some flat teeth coming across here. And then some molars at the back. I think I'll color this black just in here just to shadow it up a bit. And some like skin around here and stuff. I don't think he's got that tattoo on his tongue. So he might have like a tongue line just there, but he's got this spiky thing. There's like a middle thing here. You are special. Okay. Now, so we'll try and finish the rest of Yuji's head. So, what can we see of the other eye? So, about eye width, I would say. So, like the width of his eye is where the next eye starts, right? So you can fit an eye in between these two, right? So you can see a little bit of it. So it goes across that way. And I'll just darken this up. It kind of disappears behind the hand. You couldn't see it, could you? No. Do. And maybe some of his probably a bit of his other eye in there. Looks like he's looking down. Yeah, it's not bad. And then eyelid line. And then his eyebrow. Maybe like start of his nose. And then those sort of markings that Sukuna has across the nose. We could see that other red eye just here. Like some of those face markings, tattoos. Another one here. Little V. Sort of hairline there on that side. His other ear's covered, but we can see one ear here. And then neck. Okay, so then fringe hair spikes, so just these sort of V's, carving, like shark fins or V's. That's what I always think of. pink all on the side, all these hair spikes coming up. Probably go off my top of my page now, so rightio. And side of his head, I think is just here. Ignore that. Okay, so that red sort of collar or hoodie that he has just comes down this way, and it goes around the shoulder. But we got a sleeve as well, actually, coming down here. And I guess front of it sort of there, red, and then this side. Okay, and we can see some of the button, like a spiral or something. Like that. And then shoulders, so boom, boop. And that's it. Oh, I'll just bring the neck down maybe a bit more, maybe. Okay, Yuji with Sukuna's mouth on his hand. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.